Good morning. I'm Joseph Crane with Ely Galhardy Architects, here with Betty Jones with Jackson Public Schools, and we're here to open bids for restroom and HVAC upgrades at Lester, Sykes, and Wilkins Elementary Schools. It's JPS bid number 3228. First, we have a hard copy bid from Lutkin Construction, LLC. Certificate of Responsibility number 22327-MC. With a surety and 5% with United States Fire Insurance Company. On the proposal form, the contractor marks that they are a resident contractor and non-minority contractor ownership status. They marked no in making good faith effort to obtain MBE, WEB participation. Acknowledge addendum 1, 2, and 3. Base bid lump sum price $447,395.60. That's $447,395.60. Bid alternate number 1, $66,700, 66700. Bid alternate 2, $10,860, 10860. Bid alternate 3, $55,140, 55140. Bid alternate 4, $16,980, 16980. Bid alternate 5, $20,500, 20500. Bid alternate 6, $25,960, 25960. And bid alternate 7, $51,500, 51500. Contract time. Base bid 365 days. And for bid alternates 1 through 7, 0 additional days. And there's a copy of the certificate of responsibility and additional copies of the bid form. Our next bid is an electronic submission from Mills Contracting, LLC. Certificate of Responsibility number 24474-MC. It's 24474-MC. They have marked that they're a resident contractor, non-minority ownership status. They've indicated they have made a good faith effort to obtain MBE, WBE participation. They acknowledge receipt of addenda 1, 2, and 3. Base bid lump sum price $739,900, 739,900. Bid alternate number 1, $79,000, 79000. Bid alternate number 2, $29,000, 29000. Bid alternate 3, $89,000, 89000. Bid alternate 4, $31,900, 31900. Bid alternate 5, $62,900, 62900. Bid alternate 6, $24,900, 24900. Bid alternate 7, $153,900, 153,900. Contract time, base bid 200 days. bid alternate 1, 30 additional days. And for bid alternates 2 through 7, 0 additional days. There is a bid bond form, Hanover Insurance Company, certificate of debarment and non-collusion affidavit are included, as well as several references and an email that appears to be Mills Contracting seeking participation with a WBE. That concludes the bid opening for JPS bid number 3228, restroom and HVAC upgrades at Lester, Sykes, and Wilkins Elementary Schools.